Not eat it.
No, we did not.
Go ahead, take a bite. Dad.
Okay,
It does taste like broccoli.
Because she just went like this.
It does taste like broccoli.
What is it made out of, first off?
Broccoli.
It is not made of broccoli.
Made of arugula.
Arugula.
Still that we couldn't find.
I don't know, it's
I'm still
sorrel.
eating this because it took me forever to find it.
It is, but it's a little bitter.
It's bitter.
It's like broccoli, but it's bitter.
What was that, Kyle?
Yeah, just have broccoli.
It's called arugula soup.
No, it's...
I don't even have a spoon.
So
Here, use my spoon.
not soupy.
What do you think? Taste it.
I've already tasted it.
It's because you made it.
Yeah.
I don't eat on camera.
Alright, you don't have to eat on camera. Katie, what did you think of it?
Tastes like broccoli.
She didn't take no bite.
Yeah, it is.
I have to. It's a project.
Your face.
Give me some salt and some
You know,
some
my
hot
teacher's
sauce.
going to see this
Your
and
face.
see you saying, your face.
That's right. Awesome.
Quit. You're not on camera anymore.
That's right.
Alright.
Gonna have fun watching.
What did you think?
It was nasty.
Alright.
It's not nasty. It's got that kind of consistency of mucus and
It's nasty.
Alright, that was the appetizer.
It tasted
wait.
like broccoli, but like,
It's bitter. It's like
yeah.
old broccoli.
Like, I would add like a crap ton of sugar to it.
a crap ton.
That would make it all better.
That's why I don't like to eat this kind of French food. I only like to eat real French food, like French toast.
And French fries and okay, yeah, we're done.